Alright, let's continue to work on implicit differentiation. And before I get started, I'm just going to rewrite the root of xy as xy to the half, which equals 4 plus x squared y. Then I'm just going to take ddx of both sides of the equation. And xy to the power of half will be equivalent to x to the half times y to the half equals d dx of 4 plus x squared y. Okay, so now we're going to need to use the product rule to find d dx of x to the half, y to the half. And that won't be too bad. We're just going to have to go d dx of x to the half times y to the half plus x to the half, times d dx of y to the half equals, now d dx of 4, because that's just a constant, will be 0, and d dx of x squared y will also need the product rule. So that will look like this: d dx of x squared times y plus x squared of d dx of y. Wow, that was a terrible looking x. But trust me, it's an x. Anyways, so over on this side, d dx of x to the half, using the power rule, that'll be half x to the negative half, because we bring the half down and subtract 1 from half to get negative half. And of course, that's just going to remain as y to the half. Then over here, that's going to simplify as x to the power of half. And now, since d dx is just going to be d dy of dy dx, I'm just going to find d dy of y to the half, which will be, of course, y half, y to the negative half. And we have a dy dx right here. Then on this side, d dx of x squared is just 2x. We're going to multiply that by y. And we have x squared times dy dx, which is x squared dy dx. Then I'm going to simplify a little bit. Wow, this looks so messy on the left side of the equation. I'm going to bring this term with the dy dx to the left side of the equation and take everything else, or just this guy, to the right side of the equation, just so that that's going to make it easier for us to isolate dy dx. So right here, I'm just going to quickly, basically, this guy's going to be gone to the right side. So I'm just going to quickly simplify this whole thing. So x to the half is just the root of x. Half y to the negative half will be just 2, and my voice just cracked there. That'll be just root x over 2 root y times dy dx. And now I will take this guy to the left side of the equation. So that's going to look like x squared dy dx. And over on the right side, I'm going to have 2xy minus, now this guy, half times x to the negative half is just root x on the bottom of the fraction, and y to the half is just root y on top of the fraction. Oh, that looks terrible. Let me just pick a different color here so you guys know that that's a y. Okay, so now I can actually finally factor out the dy dx from both these elements here. So I factor out dy dx, and I'm going to get root x over 2 root y from this element to the left, and just negative x squared from this element on the right. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Equals 2xy minus root y over 2 root x, because that's what this simplifies into. And then I can already divide both sides of the equation by this, which is the root x over 2 root y minus x squared. And that gets cancelled out. Just went to the bottom of the equation there. Now, I should simplify all this mess, but I'm gonna leave it to you guys. And if you have any questions, you can write me an email or something like that. And basically that's it. But I'd really like everyone to get up to this point. Then the simplifying shouldn't be too bad. It will be kind of annoying just because this answer is massive. But yeah, have fun. And if you'd like, you can check out more videos on this website right here. Thank you.